What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at the price of Bitcoin here. It had a massive bounce during the weekend, as you can see, but right now we are testing the scene of the crime here from this higher low support level. I'm going to explain how this level is huge resistance and we are likely to get rejected here in the next coming hours and potentially couple of days. However, we'll be talking about the bullish case scenario, of course, and we'll be taking a quick look at the stock market. S&P 500 still trading at this range, just about to lose it. If we lose this support level, everything's going to get very messy, guys. So we'll be analyzing this situation in today's episode. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe daily to hear on Bitcoin crypto, also to live streams to connect with the community. Not a financial advisor, do not buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in here, guys, because what is happening right now, we've had a massive recovery, okay? Huge big bounce after the drop, okay? Trading all the way up to $22,600 range. Now, this is a massive rejection point. One of the main reasons why, of course, it's the scene of the crime where you have broken down a major support from this ascending broadening wedge, and now you're just testing it and getting that rejection. Very likely to get rejected here in the next coming hours and days, as you can see, already getting that pullback from this level. But not only that, if we do zoom in to check out here the last few weeks point of control, okay, we got one right over here, the point of control from the volume traded, all right, during February, all right, in March. We can see that large consolidation here creating a massive spike here on the volume profile. This is exactly the level where we are hitting. And then if we use Fibonacci, of course, from the ultimate high here that we have had in February to the low, we're just hitting that 50% Fibonacci retracement. If we go to the next clear pivot level from this one to this one right over here, we are hitting the 61865, okay, getting that rejection, all right? Now, if we do take a look at the US dollar pair, because now I'm at the USDT pair on ByBit, this pump over here has claimed, all right, I'm looking at Bitstamp. You can take a look at many other ones, all right, such as Coinbase and Binance. If you get the US dollar pair, we can see that this high over here has been claimed, okay? So we do get that horizontal line from this high. We've had a failed breakout from this lower high, which is obviously a good trading scenario, right? If we do zoom in on the lower time frames, right over here, we can see that we just tapped that level. This is one of my favorite strategies, of course, a failed breakout from a major level zone. We can see that large zone over here. Of course, we had the point of control. We had, the scene of the crime, and you're failing to break out this consolidation range. What happens, of course, you have the move down, you retrace to that 618 that could give you a really nice risk to reward trading scenario, okay? As you can see right over here, you could already get into that short position with your stop loss above that high wick, all right? And then, of course, you could always, protect position already. So you got that trade scenario here, failing to break out this level. But when we take a look at the USDT pair, any other, either US dollar pair or USDT, it doesn't matter. You are testing that scene of the crime right now. Big point of control from the volume traded, all right, the last few weeks, which was just right over here. As you can see from this large consolidation, a lot of fib levels, so you're likely to get that rejection. Remember, for those experienced traders on ByBit, where I do most of my crypto trading, you get $30,000 worth of bonus that can be claimed at the reward sub depending on what you deposit, guys. ByBit, my #1 crypto trading platform. Now, if we do jump into the stock market, okay? Stock market is not looking great, all right? We're talking about this level, needs to hold our support. Is this a fake out? It's not a real proper breakout of structure, okay? Why isn't it a proper breakout from structure? Because breaking a structure here, you need to break above the last lower high, which is this one here at 4,300 points. All right, looking at the stock market, it's not this one over here, as you do not create another lower low. Last lower low was this one over here, so you need to break above this level. So still a lot of work to do if you want to be bullish on the stock market. You're still very much trending aggressively to the downside. Now, most importantly, point of control from the volume traded the last few years. Just here, we are currently just losing that level at this moment. This week is going to be crucial. If we start losing this level, I think we could move, pretty aggressively to the downside to claim this low over here of 3,800 points. Not looking absolutely great. Point of control, resistance trend line right over here. Testing our support, we managed to get one bounce, as you can see. And now we're just currently at that range. If this level is lost during the next couple of days, then of course is going to be extremely bearish for Bitcoin, in my personal opinion. If stock market does get a major crash, I think Bitcoin will follow, obviously. Not much to be said here, guys. Make sure to subscribe. I'll be doing a live stream in a few hours from the upload of this video. We'll be taking a look at trading scenarios. We'll be doing all of that, you know, trading, scalping, as you know, like from the latest live stream, guys. So make sure to subscribe. It's going to be a big one. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you in the next one.